Alright, hey everyone, hope you're all doing well, hope everyone's staying safe out there. So the lock I've got clamped up here is the Abloy Classic. It's an Abloy Classic cam lock. Not the best bitting on the key, but it is what it is, and it's the only one I've got. So I very quickly made this very dirty Abloy cam lock, or Abloy Classic pick, I'm sorry. I definitely need to make a new one, but this is kind of just a proof of concept for me, so to see if I can make one, and it worked. So let's get this thing picked, and I'll take it apart and show you what's inside. Hopefully, I can do this again. I guess we will see. Yeah, I'm not getting any feedback. So I was going to try starting with the lock just in its regular position without turning all the discs, but I'm not getting anything, so I'm going to go ahead and turn all those discs to the full clockwise position, and we'll start there. To be completely honest, I'm not getting any feedback there either. What is going on here? Okay, here's the key working. Let's go all the way to the back. All the discs as far clockwise as they can go. Let's hope I get some feedback now. There we go. Interesting. I'm pretty sure I've got everything in the right position, but it does not want to open for me. Bouncing it into a gate is not working. Something's off, but I don't know what. Oh, something's way off now because that spinner's not even binding. Oh yeah, something's way off. There it goes. Alright. Man, that took a long time. Alright, so you can see that is open. If I had a better tool, it'd be a lot easier to stay on the, just so you can see the tailpiece moving there. Yeah, if I had a better tool, it'd be easier to find my way, stop getting lost in there. Because what happens when I'm picking with this thing is it shifts. I'm sorry, you can't see it. This thing will shift around, and it makes it really hard to get through the discs. So I need to order some 4mm ejector pins to make a tensioner out of so that it'll fit tightly in there. But don't have them right now, so I work with what I got. But anyway, let's get this puppy taken apart so I can show you what's inside. It took a lot longer than I wanted it to, but oh well. Is what it is. I'm gonna make a better pick. I'll have another video up. Tweezers. Here we go. So if you've never taken one of these cam locks apart before, the way the C-clip goes on is actually pretty neat. So what it is it rides down this ramp here and then goes underneath the channel. So when you're taking it out, you got to get a hook, something that can fit underneath it, so you can pry it up while you're also, well, I think I actually got it started there, so now I can just take this other hook and push it along the way, but sometimes you got to get a hook under it to start it. Oh, maybe not. So yeah, get a hook underneath of it to get it lifted up. It's not working the way I wanted it to. There we go. Okay, now I got it started. So you get it started going up there, and you get in that little groove and work it around. And slide it up over top. Ow. Just poke myself. Alright. Now we're just going to lift the whole case off of there. And so that is the sidebar there. And there's our gated spinner. So that gated spinner on the front there does not have one of these knobs to stop it from spinning. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and get all these so I can show you. I love the way this looks, so I just want to get this. There we go. So you watch the rotation of all the discs and the way the key picks them up. And then you can see the sidebar drop in there. When you turn it all the way, and when you turn them back, it pops back up and goes in. I think that's pretty neat. So put them all back to 0 and get them out of there. So we've got our gated spinner, washer, disc number 1, which is a 0. Another spacer, disc number 2, which is a 0. There's 3 0 discs in this lock, which make it not a very difficult bitting to pick, because you don't have to turn those. There's one of those Abloy anti-pick discs. So the original pick was about a half-width picking tip, and what it would do is it would turn and pivot and pick that up, but with this disc it would just slide right down in that little gap there. So they developed those to stop what I think the tool was called the Vempele, which just kind of means thingamajig. And these discs do have false gates in them. You can see those little... That's a false gate right there. Just goes down a little bit. And then there is the tensioning disc, which is just like the gated spinner, except it's got a little tensioning nub there. So there we are, Abloy Classic cam lock. It's got 9 discs and then a tensioning disc and a gated spinner for 11 discs total. Yeah, that was a much longer video than I thought it was going to be, but oh well, such is life. Alright, thanks for hanging around. Take care all. See you on the next one. Bye.